Welcome to Freedom of the Seas stateroom tour for room 7050, which is a balcony. As you can see, this is a Royal King put together with a small seating area, little table that can be moved, your standard TV, desk area with all the shelves, and there is storage there with the safe above the TV. Looking this way is the generous closet. There's your life preservers, plenty of shelving. To your left is the standard cabin shower, toilet, sink, and again there is storage behind the mirrors on the diagonals. And something most people probably don't know is there is an outlet above the mirrors. The lights do need to be turned on for that outlet to work. The one thing that is unique about this stateroom is the shape of the balcony. We're right in the bend, so you can see the two chairs and the small table that most typical balconies have. This is an obstructed view balcony, so there's the covering over the lifeboats, right kind of at floor level here on deck 7. That covers over the top of the lifeboats, but you can see the kind of angle jutting off here, and it goes for a couple cabins, and then those are other staterooms that are offset a little bit further on the port side. So again, that's just a kind of an unusual balcony configuration, and it is I believe it's 15% obstructed view balcony because of that carrier over, that cover over top of the lifeboats.